Black lives matter, always. 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 We're doing this. No clue. Where did he go? Black lives matter, always. We're not playing no games. We demand justice. We demand peace. I'm out here with my family. Out here. Black lives matter. Black lives have always mattered. We're out here for Ahmaud. We're out here for George. We're out here for Breonna. We're making it happen. We demand justice. Period! Woo! Share the live. Share the live. Let them know we're doing this. Black lives matter always. Share the live. Share the live. We're doing this. We're doing this. Let's go. Black lives matter always. Doing this for all the people we lost. We're doing this for all the people we lost. We're out here. We're not losing any more men, any more women, any more children. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're in Foley Square, Broadway Bridge. Foley Square, we're headed to Broadway Bridge. Let's go, we're doing this.
Black lives matter. Black lives matter. Black lives matter.
Black lives matter. Doing this. Black lives matter. We're not playing no games. We're gonna be the justice we want. We're gonna take it. It's not being given. This is for everybody. Stand up for what you believe in. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Black lives matter. Black lives matter every day. We out here for all the people. We're out here for all the people. We're here trying to make a difference. Black lives matter. We're trying to get on the bridge for those who are asking where we're headed. Police! No peace! No peace! The shade of your skin should not define you. Police! Yes, Cyrus. No justice, no peace. Police! No peace! No peace!
You want to bike over to Manhattan? What? You want to bike over to Manhattan and meet them? Yeah.
We are intentionally black. We believe that Black lives matter. We are out here making a difference. We are out here letting them know that Black lives matter. That's why we're out here. Despite Corona, despite everything, we have to be out here. We're protecting our lives. We're protecting our children, the men and the women. Black lives matter. Black lives have always mattered. That's why we're out here. That's why we're making a difference. Share the live. Share with your friends. Share with your family. Let them know this is what we're out here doing. New York City showing out. We're showing out for all our people. Trying to make a difference the only way we know how to. Using our voice. There was a time we couldn't speak up. There's a time we couldn't show out. Now we have to do that. I don't know. We gotta call him when we're losing people. Okay. No, she's right here. No peace. 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 We out here. We're showing out, right? Trump says that we're thugs. Well, thugs with a voice. We're making a difference. Black lives matter. Black lives have always mattered. We cannot continue to watch our men, our children, our women being shot down. We have to stand up for what we believe in. We have to be intentionally black. Do not be afraid. That's what they feed on. They feed on the fear. They want you to be afraid. They want to silence us so we don't stand up, so we don't come out. They want to make us afraid. Racism will kill us before coronavirus does. Hatred will kill us before coronavirus does. Do not be afraid. Do not be afraid to speak your voice, to use your opinion. This is what our ancestors died for. They died so we can say that we are black, we are proud, we will not be shut down. We are human beings. We are human beings. This cannot continue to happen. This cannot continue to happen. We will not be living in fear. We will not be living in fear. We're fighting for justice. Yes, Elmies, we're fighting for justice. We will not be living in fear. We will not be afraid to speak. We will not be afraid. I want to shout out to everyone who's been sharing this live. Thank you for everyone who's out here with us, with Intentionally Black. I've seen a few of you guys. I don't know where everyone else is, but we're out here. We're walking on this bridge. It's not too late to join us. Make your way over if you can. If you cannot, go to Intentionally Black's bio. Share the petition. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. The Betty Basket. What's up, David? My chef play. Share the live. Black Lives Matter. Always. I'm out here with my family. Out here with my cousin. That's what we do. Stand up for what you believe in. Always stand up for what you believe in. No peace. No peace. Let them know, sister. No justice, no peace. We out here. Black, white, Spanish, everybody. If you believe that black people are human beings, if you believe in humanity, you out here with us. And those who cannot be with us, they're sharing the live. They're signing the petition. You know, they're sending us the words of encouragement to keep us going. We out here. Virus or not, sorry. We out here, virus or not, in this hot sun. We doing it. Our ancestors did it, and now we're doing it. Woo! Thank you for all the people driving on the bridge, giving us encouragement. Yes, Kissland. We out here. There's a lot of Haitians out here too. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's do it. Let's make a difference. Let's do it. Don't forget, at Intentionally Black, go to our bio. Sign the petition. Remember, they're quick to throw black people in jail. But when they know who the murderer is, when they know who the racist is, we gotta sign petitions so they can do what's right. Sign that petition. Go to the link in our bio. Check out all our posts. Let's do this. Black Lives Matter always. Always.
Black Lives Matter. Black Lives
We're getting this done.
Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter.
Let's go. Showing out. Thank you, thank you. We will keep it up. We will keep it up. Thank you, everyone. Can I see all your comments? The sun is so bright, but I know people are commenting. Thank you. Thank you so much. Link in our bio. Intentionally Black. Always. Let's do this. Everyone out here showing out, making a difference. Listen, I know a lot of people don't agree with us marching, with us rioting, but something needs to be done. We need to take action in all ways. Anything that we can do, we will do by all means necessary. We are worried about our children. We are worried about our men. We are worried, and we have to stand up. We have to stick out. People in their homes, in their buildings, encouraging us. We're doing this. Let's go. Every state, every city, every place, stand up. Everybody do your part. Everybody do your part. Not everybody can march. Not everybody can be here physically. But you can sign the petition. You can share. You can share knowledge. There's so many things we can do. There's so many things we can do. There's so many things we can do to make a difference. Don't be silenced. Black Lives Matter. Don't be afraid to speak up. Because my biggest fear is for this to continue. For many generations to live the way we're living, or worse. Don't be afraid of anything. Don't let them silence you. That's what they want. They publicly execute and kill because they want us to be afraid. They want us to fear them. They want us to fear ourselves, to hate who we are, the color of our skin. But we cannot do that because we are intentionally black. We know what it means to be black. We know what it means to come together. That's what I need all of us to do. Those in the comments, share your love, come together, stop hating one another, stop killing one another, stop fighting one another. Join together. Join together. Make a difference. We will not win this war. We will not win this battle divided. It cannot work that way. Divided, we will not win. But together, this is what we can do. Together. Together. We're in the middle, but with so many people here. Together, this is what we can do. This is what we can do together. All the way down. All the way down. Together. That's what it looks like when we stick together. That's what it looks like when we believe, no problem, when we believe in ourselves, when we believe in our movements. That's what can happen. That's what can happen. That's what happens. We cannot breathe. We cannot breathe in this situation. We cannot breathe when black brothers, black sisters are being killed and no one cares. When we have to sign petitions, for murderers to be arrested despite video evidence, that cannot continue to happen. We cannot continue to live like this. Black Lives Matter always. Black Lives Matter always. If you believe in that, sign the petition. Share the live. If you're out here, let me know. If you see us, if you see the Intentionally Black poster, let me know. We're here together. We're making it happen. Let's do this. Let's do this. We on the bridge. Nous sous bridge là. The bridge. Okay. Sorry guys. We lost one of the people we were with. You know, we're mixing up. Let's make it happen. So sorry. Make it happen. Despite Corona, we out here together. Everybody got on their mask. We got our sanitizer. We trying. We're trying. We're doing this. Sorry, keep it from way, but Mary, let's say. Keep it like
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Thank you. I'm afraid of heights. All right. doing this. We're doing this. We're walking for what we believe in. We're walking for justice. We're walking because there is no peace. We're not living in peace. Hold up, my cousin. I lost my cousin. There she is. We out here, family and all. Sorry, my laces. Family and all, we're out here. Thank you to all 544 people watching. We appreciate this. Thank you for everyone who signed the petition so far. All we can do is try. There's no guarantee, but all we can do in our lifetime is try. Try to get the justice we want. Try to get the peace we deserve. That's all we can do. There's nothing more. Everyone try how you can. Try how you can. If marching is not the way you can do it the way you can. All we know is we want to make a difference. That's it. Pour moun k'ap di tout ça c'est temps perdu, li pas temps perdu. Li important. Parce que si nous pas défendre tête nous, pas gen moun k'ap défendre nous. Si nous pas camper pour tête nous, pas gen moun k'ap faire. Bon c'est comme haïtien. C'est nous même qui t'a comment est chéri. We are here. Ouais, pour la caille. Bon c'est comme haïtien. C'est nous même qui t'a supposé pick up on ça. 6 ans 7 nous, si Dessalines, si Toussaint, Catherine Flon, si moun sa yo. Pas de camper pour ça yo quoi. Pas de mettre yo dans bon. Pas de mettre force. Si nous c'est haïtiens vraiment penser nous ka ouais sous drapeau elle marque l'union fait la force. C'est ensemble comme ça tout le monde ça yo qui là. Cap garder live là, c'est ensemble. Nous ka faire ça marcher. Nous pas qu'à faire pour compte nous. Nous pas qu'à perdre. Nous pas qu'à perdre système non. Nous pas qu'à perdre blanc raciste là. Nous pas vivre comme ça. Si on vivre comme ça, nous sommes toujours dans l'esclavage. So, nous pas qu'à perdre. Pour le monde qui dit perdre du temps. Pendant que vous dites perdre du temps, s'il vous plaît, mettez 4 sur le téléphone nous. Allez signer une pétition pour nous. Aidez-nous à faire une différence. Je vais demander tout le monde qui est caillou pour faire ça. Et pas tout le monde qui a fait. Je comprends ça. Il y a des gens qui ont des gens. Il y a des gens qui ont des gens qui sont malades. Nous comprenons ça. Mais faites ça capable. Si c'est partager live là. Si c'est marcher avec nous. Si c'est love l'on cabaye. Si c'est pétition l'on signer. Si son caille dans zone ou ranger. Si son proche parent on moun noir cabaye manger. On moun dans zone où qu'on est cap souffrir ka aider. On ti nous ka pour l'école. N'importe ça qu'on fait. Plus jeune nous aider tête nous. C'est plus jeune nous avancer. So, et ça c'est même d'abdi m'ba là pour faire politique. Même pas une idée. Si nous est bon, nous est bon. Si nous est pas bon, nous pas problème à ça. Nous tous pas même, nous pas qu'à penser même gens. Nous tous pas qu'à faire même bagaille. Partager live là. Allez sous page nous qui c'est intentionally black. Et puis aider nous faire une différence. Parce que nous avons des problèmes dans le pays nous. Mais quand ça nous vivons à l'étranger, nous avons des problèmes tout. Dans le pays nous, c'est une question de qui moun qui grimel, qui moun qui grimo. Dans le pays ça, noir c'est noir. Ou te mettre clair, yo pas vle well. Ou mettre à l'école, yo pas vle well. Éduquer, pas vle dire rien. Gè l'argent, pas vle dire rien. Là, yo noir, yo comme bête. Yo comme sous pas moun. Parce que les ancêtres nous, bah nous exemple là. Yo te goumé pour ça, yo te goumé pour liberté. Ça veut dire si yo te commencé pour nous. Nos situations esclavage qui était plus difficile. Là nous là kounya. Là nous ka marcher, là nous ka parler. Là nous jouons moyen, là nous jouons possibilité pour nous faire tout ça nous pour nous faire, faut nous faire. Si on ne parle anglais parce que grand pile monde là qui parle anglais. Et puis ça qu'a fait là, c'est américain qui a fait. Des besoins pour comprendre. Mais comme ça tout, m'oblige parler créole pour tout le monde qui est haïtien là, apprécier nous merci. Pour nous comprendre ça qu'a fait là. C'est pas macaque. C'est pas propose. C'est réalité liée, c'est réalité. C'est pas là où nous connaissons mourir pour comprendre ça. C'est pas laisser petit tout. C'est pas laisser mari ou c'est madame pour comprendre ça. Bon, c'est même s'ils sont étrangers. Depuis qu'ils ont tout parce qu'ils même j'avoue, parce qu'ils noir. On bagaille que Et bon Dieu qui fait le comme ça. Et pas lui-même qui a décidé qui coulait lié, qui côté le fait. Combien comme il gagne, qui éducation il gagne. Nous pensons, nous sommes supposés respecter ça. Il y a pile de monde qui mourit. Nous ne mettre tout le monde. So jeudi, nous marchons. Nous mettons 4 noms sous bord là. Mais c'est plusieurs monde. Nous marchons pour tout le monde. Monde qui mourit jeudi. Monde qui mourit hier. Monde qui mourit depuis longtemps. Nous marchons pour tout. Nous marchons pour liberté. C'est pas chaque jour nous faisons, papa est menti, c'est pas chaque jour nous faisons. Mais là nous faisons. Nous faisons. Là nous faisons une différence. Nous faisons. Merci tout le monde pour l'œuvre. Merci, merci, merci. Oui, nous sommes à New York, c'est New York, we are New York. C'est comme ça. C'est comme ça, petit. Nous gisons pour nous, ouais, nous. Non, manifestation, ça, c'est New York la fête, c'est Haïti. We are in New York, guys. We're on the Brooklyn Bridge. Trying to be heard, trying to be seen. Trying to be intentionally black. That's all we're trying to do. We're just trying to use our voices. That's it. That's it. Stand up for what we believe in. That's all we're trying to do. Trying to let them know that we are human beings. That we deserve the chance to live. Living in a country where they talk about the pursuit of happiness, when they talk about liberty. But there is none for black people. I think we fought enough. This situation is out of control. To be hated because of the color of your skin, that you cannot predict, that you cannot change. You are born as who you are. That is not our fault. We deserve the chance to live, to not be shot down like dogs, to not be treated as less than. That's why we're out here. Everyone is out here. All ethnicities, all races, all backgrounds, all incomes, just coming together for a common situation, for a common good, with the common understanding that Black Lives Matter is all lives matter. We don't have to say all lives matter. We have to say Black Lives Matter because that's what's in question right now. Because if it wasn't in question, we wouldn't be marching today. We wouldn't be here today. So for those saying white lives matter, they do matter, but they're not in question. Black lives do not matter in America. That's why Black lives matter. Sorry, we're on the bridge. You know, connection is a little crazy, but for as long as I can be live, I would try to be live. Try to let you guys know what we're doing, the difference we're trying to make. Try to show you guys as much as I can. If the live does cut, just know it's connection, it's not me. And whenever I can, I'll go live again when we're doing our speeches, when we're talking about this. Follow Intentionally Black. Follow Intentionally Black on all social media. This video will be posted all over on YouTube. For those who do not know the stories of what's going on for who we're marching for, feel free to check out the page. We'll see everything there. Standing up, we're making a difference. That's all we can do. Sorry. That's all we can do. Despite COVID. Oui, moi, je parle créole italien. Moi, je suis retourné, moi, parler anglais encore pour tout le monde qui a commenté, mais c'est parler toutes les deux langues. Parce que c'est haïtien, moi, même si je fais ici. Mais nous, là, je dis, nous avons marché, nous avons fait ça parce que nous croyons dans la tête, nous. Oui, nous sommes noirs, mais ça ne veut pas dire nous sommes bêtes. Ça ne veut pas dire nous pas monde. Nous vivons dans nos pays, oui, les doit bah nous plus possibilités de passer notre pays. Mais ça ne veut pas dire parce que nous noirs, puis on tirer nous, puis on battre nous, mettez nous dans la prison sans raison, c'est nous. c'est mon nouye, vie nous important. Même si c'est noir américain ou c'est africain ou c'est haïtien, n'importe quoi, de pour nous, on pas vle voir, il pas si c'est comme ça. Nous là parce que nous prenons tête nous là parce que nous avons tête nous ensemble. Pour nous dire, ok, nous c'est moun. Il y a des gens qui disent oui, pas venir dans la manifestation, c'est très important. Parce que nous ne pouvons pas toujours peur, nous ne pouvons pas toujours peur de défendre tête nous. Nous ne pouvons pas toujours peur pour nous mettre tête nous ensemble. Je ne sais pas que les gens racistes sont plus forts passer nous. Je ne sais pas que les plus intelligents passer nous. Pour nous ne pas mettre tête nous ensemble. Pour nous ne pas défendre tête nous. Dans n'importe sens, n'importe ça nous oblige de faire, nous oblige de faire. Très important, très important. Très important. Merci pour tout le monde qui partage le live là. Merci pour tout le monde qui a commenté, qui a donné courage, qui a donné belle parole. Merci, merci. Abonnez-nous avec la page Intentionally Black. Abonnez-nous avec la page là. Vous pouvez suivre tout ce qu'on a fait. Pour les gens qui sont Haïti, qui ne peuvent pas comprendre, nous allons sur la page là pour nous voir toute vidéo, toute image, côté nous expliquer tout bagage ça. C'est important. C'est important. Très important. Je vais parler créole là parce que bon monde qui m'a dit pour parler créole. C'est pour ça.
I got on the bike really, that was crazy.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Remember guys, remember to go to my bio of Intentionally Black, sign the petition. Even though you're at home, you can still make a difference. Your voice matters. Those who aren't registered to vote, please do so. Your vote matters.
Not just from this.
If you can, please register to vote. Your vote matters. Despite COVID, you can still vote.
Me too.
Your vote matters.
I think that's actually
We are on the Brooklyn Bridge, Samuel. We're on the Brooklyn Bridge.
I mean, it's a lot.
We're walking down the bridge, Samuel.
That's like negative math squared. For a second. Negative math squared. This is the New York version.
Merci, merci en pile, Kevin. Merci, merci. Excusez-moi, je ne peux pas répondre tout le monde bien parce que vous connaissez, nous dans le soleil chaud, je ne peux pas si tellement au téléphone là, but nous apprécions tout le monde qui est là. We appreciate everyone's here, everyone who's commenting. We appreciate all the love, all the good words.
High school against chicken pox. Really? Yeah, dude. She had to like leave the school for like 2 months. Wow.
Thank you so much, Faith. Shop Lorena, thank you. Please do sign the petition. That would help. And share with others so they can do so as well, because unfortunately, that's what we have to do. Despite video evidence, despite witnesses, we have to sign a petition to get murderers arrested. Though the victims are always easily arrested as long as they're black. That's the America we live in. That's the America we want to change. Oui, nous mettons masque pour mon cap dit. Si nous mettons masque, nous mettons masque. Mais l'important pour nous là parce que racistes yo a touye nous plus passer virus corona ça. Y a touye nous depuis longtemps. Corona li fait paraître mais depuis longtemps moun noir mourir parce que yo noir. Parce que yo fait noir, parce que bon Dieu fait nous noir. Moun yo ray nous parce que nous noirs qui pas fait sens so. Nous obligés, pas vle nous vle pour nous ta venir là. Non moment ça, mais nous obligés venir là parce que si nous pas venir, malgré nous venir, thank you. Malgré nous venir, y a tout nous. Allez voir pour si nous pas venir. Even though we're here, we're still being killed. So can you imagine if we're not here, if we do not protest, if we do not speak on these topics? Can you imagine what would happen? How do they sign? The link is at Intentionally Black's bio. It's in the bio. It's in our bio. It's in the website. That's how you sign the petition. Link is in our bio.
Yes. That one was from the other day.
George Floyd! George Floyd!
Sorry guys, we're going down, so the connection may be lost. Excusez pour gens s'apparaître, on a marché pour nous descendre, t'allais. Pour de l'empiti, sans plus le monde qui l'a, c'est nos plaisirs. C'est nos plaisirs qui l'a, excusez. Un pile monde qui l'a, excusez, excusez. Pour les gens qui ne connaissent pas, je vais retourner expliquer tout le bagage d'aller. Je vais marcher, je vais prendre un petit souffle. For the people who are asking what's going on, I will explain more later. It's hot, I'm wearing a mask, trying to catch my breath. Thank you for the understanding. Thank you, Jean Toussaint, for signing the petition. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, as Bebe said, don't forget to vote. Register to vote if you haven't. Renew your registration if you need to. Yes, Kimmy. We know social distancing is important, but this is important as well. This is important as well.
I can't breathe. No resistance. 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 I can't breathe. No resistance.
Nous tous get masks. Everybody has masks, guys. We know social distancing, but this is important. We have to do it. We have to do it. Black lives matter enough for us to do it. It's important. We have to. If we don't do it, they'll just kill us all off. And we're doing it, we're still being killed. So it's important. Remember to check the link in our bio for those who are still asking how they can sign the petition. Sorry. Black lives matter. Black lives matter. They matter. That's why we're out here trying to make a difference. That's why we're out here so our voice can be heard. Trump says we're thugs, but he has nothing to say about the cops that are in the street killing people. He has nothing to say about the racists who see a young man jogging. He has nothing to say. They're just plain old American citizens, but we're the thugs. We're the thugs, right? We're the terrible people.
Black lives matter! 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 Shit out the bed! Black lives matter! Black lives matter! Black lives matter! Black lives matter!
I saw you guys looking for me. I'm here. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Whew. We're here, we're live. You good? You need water? You good? You need water? Okay. Suba is low, kitang ko na. Get low. Get low. Okay. Sorry guys. As y'all know, this is live. We really are marching. We really are hot. We have this mask on. As if it's not hot enough. We're in all black and we have masks on, so just catching our breath.
At this point, we got corona.
Right. just catching our breath, trying to drink water. Social distancing is over. Moun ki pa konem la avec cousine moi. So, excusez sou on a pere kale. Na ponti souf nou tout de noir. Nou gen mas nan kebe nou show. Ouais, moun sa yo bay mas. Moun yo bay mas gratis. Son bel bagay. So, oui gen corona, faut nous protéger tête nous, mais important pour nous faire ça. Gen moun ka bay masque. Pour moun ki pa gen, son bel bagay. No games, no games, no games.
But listen, you guys, you gotta change the law. They've been doing this for fucking 50 years.
That's true.
We have to change the law.
Exactly. That's true. That's true, sister. That's true. But my chien seulement, we have to get the laws changed. That's true. Thank you everyone. Remember the petition, link in our bio on all social media. Intentionally Black on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube, all over. Justice! Now! Now! Peace! Yeah, I got something in my eye. Oh, I'm good. I'm about to take a drink soon. Thank you. I got something in my eye. Sorry, guys. Excuse me. I don't know if it's glitter or eyelash. Thank you, Dad. Right. Let me get a little water.
Yeah, let me hold it for you.
Thank you. We're definitely, if we're catching corona, we're definitely are, guys. Taking off this mask.
Listen, bro, you gotta do what you gotta do. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, Dad.
No problem.
All right, you got the board or you want me to? Yeah, I get it. Okay, thank you. Est-ce que tout le monde? T'as fait un petit campé, ma cousine moi la campé dem. Kebe board là. Pour boire un petit de l'eau. Pile chalet, but m'obligé, très important. Sorry for that, guys. Had to drink some water. Catch your breath. My cousin is here helping me. She's carrying the boards. She's been doing this since way before I was here, so she got this. she been doing this. Pregnant and all from before she was doing this.
How many times you gotta walk though? I did this 7 years ago. How many times?
Question.
This has to be the last time.
For real. Gotta be the last time. It's raining, guys. It's starting to rain. If it rains too hard, sorry, but I will have to end the live in order to save my phone. So if it's raining light, we'll keep going. But if it starts raining any heavier, my baby shit, end the live.
It's gonna stop real quick. It's just
Yeah, it feels like a little bit, yeah. Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter, guys. That's why we're out here. This is not a game. This is not a game. This is not a game. We're not out here for fun. We're not out here for fun. We're out here because it's necessary. Because this is what we must do. Because even though we're out here, doesn't mean the laws are going to change. Doesn't mean the police is going to change. Doesn't mean something is going to change. But we want that change, so we have to be out here. We have to do this. We have to stand up for what we believe in. So many different people out here trying to make a difference. So many people that's been out here, that's been in so many other marches, you know? Maybe you can't see it from here, but people, all ages, seen a few kids. So everyone's out here trying to make a difference. Thank you everyone. Sorry, the comments are moving so fast I can't reply to everyone, but we appreciate the love. Link is in Intentionally Black's bio. Sign the petition. Even though you're home, your voice matters. You can help make a difference. Not everyone could be out here, we understand that, but Sign the petition, share the live, share information. There's a lot of people who don't know what's going on. It maybe sounds surprising, but they don't know what's going on. They don't know black people are being killed every day. They may be ignorant to the fact. So don't be afraid, share the live. Don't be afraid to have a voice. Don't be afraid to stick up for what you believe in. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Don't be afraid to be intentionally black. This is what we must do. This is how we must do it. Justice and peace by any means necessary. This is what we must do. Because even when we're unarmed, we're the threat. The color of our skin makes us a threat. However, we're the minority. We're the ones that's been beaten down. We're the ones that's been enslaved. We're the ones that's been raped, killed, and lynched. But we're always seen as the threat. That makes no sense. This has been going on for centuries. It makes no sense. We need a difference. We need peace. We need justice. We need it now. You need water? Oh, yeah, go ahead. Sorry, guys. This is real. I am with real people. We're taking a quick pause. Sis is gonna get her a little something to cool off. So, like I said, link is in our bio. Oh, everyone, oh, this is my cousin. People are like, who's that? My cousin. But we're out here. Let me show you the boards real quick. This is the boards. In America, this is how things are seen. Black Lives Matter. Doesn't matter if you're dark skinned, if you're light skinned. Day after you, skin should not matter. That's the point we're trying to make. Black fear is a pandemic. It's more dangerous than COVID. I know a lot of you guys are commenting social distancing. This is more dangerous than COVID. All right. So we're taking a little pause here. Nous na Brooklyn, nous New York. Nous sommes marché sur Bridgeland, nous downtown, nous bas Fulton Mall. Et là, nous y sommes marché. C'est nous plaisir, but on est tout le monde marché de différents côtés, so grand pile monde qui est à point devant. So nous là, nous avons essayé de faire une différence. Nous là, nous-mêmes famille, nous-mêmes amis, nous-mêmes étrangers. Depuis nous noirs, c'est même bagarre nous défendre. C'est tête nous défendre. C'est la vie nous défendre. C'est la vie, non, thank you. C'est la vie génération nous défendre. Parce que songez, si nous pas compter kounya, petit nous cap fait, petit nous génération cap vini, y a toujours souffrir comme ça. Y a pas jamais point ni ici, je viens ici m'a marché, but des cas de manifestation ici tout film de Haïti, so très important. Pas peur pour nous défendre vérité. Faut nous même jouer avec ancêtres nous. Faut nous fiers. Faut nous gagner tête ensemble pour nous régler ça. C'est pas facile, c'est vrai. Malgré toute bagaille, malgré maladie, but l'important. L'important, faut nous mettre tête nous ensemble. Ça va pas continuer. Pour nous a perdu la ville parce que les noirs, ça c'est bon Dieu qui baille, bon Dieu baille moun toute couleur. C'est pas nous qui faisons comme ça. Il pas qu'à continuer. Moun yo pas besoin qu'on est soit à l'école, soit pas à l'école, sous pauvre, sous riche. Yo pas besoin qu'on est qui quand on sorti des pour noirs. Yo rayou. So, et pour ça n'a marché. Et pas pour nous fous, mais nous fâchés. Nous sentis, nous passer trop de travail. We've been through too much. Everyone is out here. Toute couleur, blanc, noir, espagnol, tout le monde là. Haïtien, africain, jamaïcain. Toute nation, tout le monde. Nous là. Nous voulons ouais, nous bloqué la rue. Nous avons fait tout ça nous pour nous faire. Pour nous attendre nous. Parce que nous pas qu'à tuer nous toutes. I want you guys to know that, hear that. They cannot kill us all. Unfortunately for them. Dommage pour yo. Yo pas qu'à tuer nous toutes. Dommage pour yo, yo pas qu'à tuer nous toutes. Dommage pour yo, yo pas qu'à tuer nous toutes. Nous là, nous voyons. We are here. We are here. We are here. We matter. We are being seen. We are here. We are here. We are here. We are here. We are here.
Me too.
We are here.
Show my kids.
Let them know.
Oh, there is somewhere.
Oh.
I just gotta get through all your snacks.
Right, honestly. I wasn't sure if we get anything, so I was like, let me make sure.
George Floyd!
Love his poster.
Black Lives Matter! Shut it down!
You want me to hold the voice? I'm here with my cousin, guys. Mbafu, Kusimwela, Mosam. Si nou tade ma pale, they think I'm here with my cousin, guys. Let me try to show you guys what we're doing here. Everyone is here. We're all out here. More power to the people. He says we're thugs, right? Well, fuck him. That's how we feel. Yes, history repeats itself every day. This cannot continue to happen. Black lives matter. We are human beings. We are human beings. We bleed red just like everybody else, just like all other races and ethnicities. You got yours too? You good? You good? Okay, making sure. Let me know if you need my help. All right, I took a good enough break. Sorry, guys. Like I said, it's live. I know it's a lot of side talk, but this is real. We're really out here. That's why. We're doing this. So, my phone is on 20%, but we riding out until it dies. We're riding out until it dies. Like I said, guys, the comment is pinned. Go to the link at Intenshi Black's bio on Facebook, on Instagram, anywhere. Sign the petition in our bio. Black Lives Matter. They've always mattered. We are important. We are human beings. We are not animals. We don't deserve to be killed. They treat black men, black women, black children in America where they wouldn't even treat animals. They would not shoot down a dog. They would not put their knee on a dog's neck for 7 to 9 minutes until it died. They protect animals, but they do not protect black people. They see us as less than animals. They wish we can go back to slavery times. They want us to be property. They want us to believe that we are nothing, but we know that we are something. That's why we're all out here. That's why we're here together. That's why we're making a difference. I know that we've been marching for centuries and not much has changed, but it's better to march than it is not to march. We cannot always be afraid. We have to put our foot down at some point. We have to stick up for what we believe in. We have to be intentionally black. We cannot continue to live this way. We're doing it not for ourselves. We're doing it for our generations, for our ancestors, for our children, for the youth, for the generations to come. We're doing it for them. That's what we're doing it for. That's what we're doing it for. This is important. This is important. This is important. This is important. This is important.
Wrong side, black man. You're the wrong side, black man. Come on, bro. We love you, bro. We love you. Support us.
L'important pour nous là. L'important pour nous. Quoi dans tête nous. Moun yo pa vle wè nous parce que nous noirs. Yo te touye ancêtres nous. Kounya yo vle pou yo touye nous mais yo pa ka touye nous tout. Depuis nous gen tête ensemble. Depuis nous quoi dans ça n'a fait. Malgré corona, nous connaissons dans New York City que bagay yo pi mal mais malgré tout nous mettons vie nous en danger pour nous faire ça parce que vie nous est en danger. Des pour fête noire, vie ou des temps en danger depuis tout petit. Vie en danger. So gen moun qui dit est-ce que nous pas peur corona? Oui, gen corona, nous pas aimer pour nous gen corona mais raciste yo pi danger que corona. The racists, these killers, the cops that are killing black people, they're way more dangerous than corona. So those who are asking if our lives are in danger, our lives have been in danger. Even before corona, our lives have been in danger. We have not been safe. That's why we're out here, trying to be heard, trying to be seen, trying to let them know that this will not continue. So you may not agree with what we're doing. You may not agree with how we're doing it. But I think you do agree that Black Lives Matter. I think you do agree that something needs to be done. We cannot continue to lose men, women, and most importantly, children, innocent children, to the system, to corrupt cops, to racists. Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter. They've always mattered. They've always mattered. We're trying to make a difference. We're trying to make a difference here. We're trying to make a difference here. Tout moun la. Trying to make a difference. Link is in our bio for the petition. Link is in our bio for those who are asking. Thank you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Madame Moussa dit bullshit.
Oh, feel that no, they're never gonna. They're never gonna love us. Et pour ça, petite, nous obligés. Nous obligés là pour nous défendre, ça qui est important. Et tête nous n'a défendre, oui. Et tête nous, chaque temps nous tuons un monde noir. C'est nous qui tuons parce que si on était jeunes, nous pouvions tuer, on t'a tué nous. Ah, ouais, il y a des armes, il y a des bâtons. Et qu'on s'allie. Et qu'on s'allie. Ils ont tué Ahmad. Ils ont tué George. Ils ont tué Brianna. Mais si on était jeunes, nous pouvions tuer, on t'a fait. Si on était jeunes, nous, on t'a fait. We have to be here. We need justice, true justice. They're quick to kill a black man, quick to arrest a black man, but the murderers always get away. They always get paid leave. They always get 10 months probation. They always get 3 years because that's what they want. They want black people, black men, black children to be killed. That's why we're out here. Oh, get on the sidewalk, get on the sidewalk, get on the sidewalk. Get on the sidewalk so they don't hit y'all. Get on the sidewalk. Get on the sidewalk, get on the sidewalk. You good? Good, all right. Sorry, I had to make sure my people are here. Get on the sidewalk. Get on the sidewalk. Get on the sidewalk. Get on the sidewalk. Get on the sidewalk, guys. this protest. We do not want trouble. If they give us trouble, we will have to fight back. But we are not looking for trouble. Let's do this. Let's do this. My phone is gonna die, guys. I'm so sorry. This is like the middle and important part of the protest, and I cannot get it. I'm so sorry, guys. Téléphone n'a pas mouri. Même pas fait mettre. M'a quitté jusqu'à ce que live la fini. Zamim qui gagne backup charger. Nous perdons. Pendant la fait manifestation, nous perdons. So sorry. Téléphone n'a pas mouri. Nous perdons toute bagaille.
Make sure your
Yeah.
fucking cameras are on.
They want a reason.
You're always fucking off.
They want a reason to hit us. They want a reason to have a problem with us. We do not want to be violent. But if they put their hands on us, it's going to be another story. It's going to be another story for sure. It's going to be another story. They can't kill all of us. Unfortunately for them, they cannot kill all of us. They cannot. Too many black people in the world. Too many black people in the world. Can't kill all of us. Daddy.
NYPD! NYPD!
Oh, I'm like, Daphne? I close you. I'm like, where? He's tight. And my phone is dying. Can't. He got the backup charger. This clip. You good, Daph, with the posters? You good? Okay. Let me know. I'm chilling. True. Let me see what percent I'm on. Okay. 4 more percent. No, I'm on 14. I'm gonna give it 4 more, and then once it's 10, I'm gonna turn it off. Sorry, guys. Once my phone reaches, it's on 14%. Once it reaches 10, I'm gonna have to end the live. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, téléphone n'a pas mouri. Zamim qui get backup charger, nous perdons pendant une manifestation, nous pas comme qui voulait faire. Pour téléphone moi arrivé sous 10%. Ma pas obligé faire mes live là. Merci pour tout le monde qui branché. Merci pour tout le monde qui share live là. Merci pour tout le monde qui signe. Petition, merci, merci, merci. Guys, my phone is on 14%. Once it reaches 10%, I'm going to have to end the live. I'm so sorry. I will try to share images. I will try to do little recordings. But I should have walked with 2 phones. Should have done that. Or I should have had the backup charger. But unfortunately, my friend has it. So that's that. Sorry, guys. Thank you. Thank you. We will be safe. Oh, your phone is good there? Yeah. All right. Okay. Ah, nous pas même ouais, nous pas sous boy. Tu sais? On va get backup charger sous? Ou bien? Non. Damn. Nous payons? Nous. Et parce que nous perdons pour nous charger le téléphone pour ne pas besoin de faire mes lives là, nous sommes obligés. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. In another 5 minutes, unfortunately, I have to end the live because my phone is dying and I need at least a few percent just in case I lose any more people I was with so I can contact them and let them know where we're at. Thank you, thank you, thank you for everyone who tuned in. Remember, the link for the petition is in Intentionally Black's bio. Like the page, follow the page, Follow us on Instagram. This video will be posted on Intentionally Black's YouTube. That's the name right there, pinned. Intentionally Black on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Twitter. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Merci avec tout le monde qui t'a suivi live là, tout le monde qui share l'âge là, qui partage. Merci, merci. Téléphone moi pourri. M'a obligé fermer live là dans 3 minutes comme ça parce que les amis qui ont chargé hein. Moi perdu so baga quitter téléphone de mourinette pour si besoin relais. Merci, merci, merci. Pas oublier pour nous like page là sur Facebook. Si nous avons Instagram, non c'est même bagaille Intentionally Black. Nous obligés de faire ça. Depuis noir, yo pas vle wow. Il pas fait sens. C'est mon nouye tout. Merci, 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 merci tout le monde. Yes, yes, we are by Barclays Center right now for those who are in New York. Like I said, definitely not too late to join. Thank you. We are being careful. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
There's a problem in there.
With your piti, si tu de nous pas parler with your piti, n'a marché pour nous passer. Okay, I'm gonna end the live in 1 more minute. Unfortunately, my phone was on 100% when I came out, and it just died so quickly. iPhone problems. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Yes, yes, yes. No, we're not gonna die.
Fuck you, white man. You the one that make him do this shit. Fuck you. Fuck y'all. Yeah, fuck you. You don't hear us.
Yeah. Had I known they were coming over here, we could have parked over here. Now we gotta go walk all the way back. I'm sorry, guys. We parked all the way down, bro. We parked downtown just to come back by where we live. If we knew it was over here, we would have just had the car over here. Ay, ay, ay.
I know you lying. Walking back. Yo, let's call an Uber.
For sure.
What?
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. We've made it. We made it. Yeah, I think this is the end point. Yeah. We made it, guys. Map end live Natale. Let me try to get closer so I can see what's going on before I end the live. Sorry. Thank you. All right, so my phone is on 7%. Seeing as I'm by my house, I'm gonna let it die, guys. I think this is the end point. This is the end point, so this is it. Excusez. Pendant nous finir, je pense que là, ça c'est la dernière destination nous, parce que nous arrivons. Nous avons un live là, mais comme je suis là, je n'ai pas de problème. Je vais tout quitter le téléphone de mourir, le téléphone sur 7%. Mais je dis, nous faisons manifestation ça parce que il y a tué un pile de monde noir qui vivent aux États-Unis. Parce que nous noirs, ils ne pas voulu nous, parce que nous noirs, ils ont nous. Je dis, nous venons, nous mettons ensemble pour nous faire ça. Nous mettons ensemble pour nous montrer que la vie nous est importante. Pour nous montrer que c'est nous nous est important. Nous avons des gens là qui ont des boissons gratis, qui ont des masques sans payer parce qu'ils comprennent ça affaire, ils comprennent ça important. Merci avec tout le monde qui branché, merci à tout le monde qui partage le live là. Même si nous ne pouvons pas vivre ici, même si avec tout Haïtien pareil moi qui aident nous partager le live là parce qu'ils connaissent ça important. Parce que nous tous c'est noirs, nous tous importants. Il n'est pas en question des Américains, il n'est pas en question des Haïtiens, Africains. Depuis nous noirs, c'est nous tous qui n'ont pas voulu. Merci. Moi je fais un petit peu à l'école pour les gens qui demandent. Merci un peu. On apprécie ça. Pas oublier abonner avec page YouTube nous, on a posté une vidéo ça sur page YouTube là qui c'est Intentionally Black. Et non ça nous qui paraît en bas live là. Merci. Side. Merci. Si live l'en coupé, connaissez ce téléphone qui mourit, téléphone sous 4%. If the live ends, guys, the phone is dead. It's on 4%. Thank you everyone. Remember, follow Intentionally Black on all social media. The video will be posted on our YouTube. Sign the petition that's in our bio. The link is pinned down below, but you can click on Intentionally Black's page. The link is in our bio. All you have to do is click. You don't even have to type it in. Black Lives Matter always. When New York, when Brooklyn. Et là, nous avons fait manifestation ça. Mais il y a manifestation qui a fait à travers les États-Unis, dans toute l'autre state. Mais je dis, c'est New York qui met tête ensemble pour nous faire ça. Tout le monde là. Ça c'est New York, États-Unis. Pour les gens qui ne sont pas là, je vais expliquer tout le bagage. T'allez là, live là, bal fermé, so n'a pas regarder live là pour nous voir tout le bagage, pour nous comprendre tout le bagage. Merci, un peu de respect avec tout le monde qui est là, tout le monde qui partage le live là. Yes, USA guys, USA. Thank you guys so much. For those who are asking for more explanation, go to our page and you'll see more about what's going on. I've repeated it a lot of times, guys. And my phone is dying, so I don't want to use too much time to speak on it. Thank you.